Welcome to 3.4 Part 2, Exponential and Log Equations. Our essential question is the same. How can we model a real-life situation with a log equation? So this time we're going to talk about using the definition of a log to solve log equations. So we have the form log sub b m equals c. So use the definition of a log to rewrite it in the different ways. So log sub b m equals c is b to the c equals m. So you solve for your variable, check your proposed solutions into the original equation to make sure they work. So let's look at our first example. You have log sub 2 x minus 4 equals 3. So you want to rewrite this in the other form. So that means you have 2 to the third equals x minus 4. So this is 8 equals x minus 4. X equals 12. Now you want to check this. So that means I have log sub 2, 12 minus 4 equals 3. It does work. So it's a true. And your solution set is 12. Let's do the next example. We have 4 ln 3x equals 8. So if we divide everything by 4 to simplify it, we're going to have e squared equals 3x. That's the rule for your ln. I know my L and my E look the same. Sorry. So this means my x is going to be e squared over 3. Now if you check this, it means you have 4 ln 3 times e squared over 3 equals 8. Based on the rule ln e squared, that means you just are left with your 2. So my solution set is e squared over 3. So let's look at this example now. This one has a little more to it. So we are going to combine things. We're going to condense our logs. So remember, if you have addition, that's really your multiplication. So think about your rule of when it equals 1, that's really 10 to the 1, because this is your common log. I'm going to move my 10 to the other side, so I have 0 equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. So that means I have x equals 5 and x equals negative 2. Now remember, you need to check both of them. So we'll check x equals 5. So we know in our solution set, I'm running out of room, I'm sorry. One of our things at least is 5. So let's check x equals -2. You cannot do -2. Your log is only positive numbers. So -2 doesn't work. So it's just your solution set is 5. This is why you want to check. It's really important to make sure that your numbers will actually work in the problem. Alright, so make sure you complete the questions below and watch the next videos. Your next video is going to talk about one-on-one property and application.